China continues to dominate global headlines with its groundbreaking military defense technologies that are reshaping the landscape of innovation and strategy. With developments ranging from cutting-edge stealth fighters to sophisticated unmanned systems, China is setting new standards in modern warfare capabilities. These advancements not only spark debates about the future of warfare, but also raise questions about shifting power dynamics on the global stage. In this video, we'll dive deep into some of China's most advanced military breakthroughs, examining their potential impact on modern combat and global security. Don't miss out. Subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to ensure you never miss updates on the latest cutting-edge technologies shaping our world.
China's 14th International Aviation and Aerospace Exhibition, also known as Airshow China, unveiled an array of cutting-edge defense technologies. Among the highlights was an unmanned amphibious platform that combines versatility and innovation. This lightweight mobile system, developed by the China South Industries Group Corporation, caters to a broad spectrum of amphibious missions. Its design supports various forces, including coastal defense units, the Marine Corps, and special operations teams. The platform's ability to perform in diverse environments demonstrates its value for future military operations. Another star exhibit was a vehicle-mounted swarm weapon system, making its public debut. This technology leverages artificial intelligence to coordinate a fleet of drones or other unmanned vehicles in offensive or defensive operations. Its adaptability and cost-effectiveness indicate a shift towards more efficient warfare strategies. These innovations showcase China's commitment to maintaining its competitive edge in Chinese military equipment development. The Type 055 destroyer, a flagship of China's naval force, embodies advanced defense technologies designed for modern maritime dominance. As one of the most formidable surface combatants globally, it stands out for its blend of stealth, speed, and firepower. With its advanced radar systems and sophisticated missile launching capabilities, the Type 055 excels in anti-air, anti-ship, and anti-submarine warfare. Its design reduces radar detectability, giving it a significant advantage in hostile environments. This destroyer is part of the PLA Navy's push to strengthen its blue water capabilities, operating far from China's shores. Its ability to perform diverse roles, from escort missions to offensive strikes, demonstrates the Navy's shift towards strategic versatility. The Type 055's deployment reflects China's broader goal of safeguarding vital maritime trade routes and asserting its influence on international waters. It is a testament to the PLA Navy's ambition to field the most advanced Chinese military equipment available. Airshow China showcased groundbreaking artillery systems that redefine battlefield efficiency. Central to the display were 4 types of 155mm artillery products, designed for precision strikes and superior range. These systems, complemented by advanced long-range rocket systems, offer unmatched versatility for modern combat scenarios. Among the highlights were the SR-5 guided multiple launch rocket system and the AR-3 multiple rocket launcher. These platforms enable rapid deployment and targeted attacks over extended distances, enhancing their value for both offensive and defensive operations. A key focus of the exhibition was the integration of manned and unmanned artillery combat technologies. By combining human expertise with automated systems, China aims to increase battlefield effectiveness while reducing operational risks. These innovations place the country at the forefront of latest military equipment, emphasizing adaptability and precision in modern warfare. The Ju-35, a stealth fighter's public debut at the Zhuhai Airshow, marked a milestone in defense technologies. Billed as China's answer to the US F-35, the Ju-35A represents a leap in stealth technology and aviation performance. Its design prioritizes radar evasion, enabling it to operate undetected in contested airspace. While specific performance details remain classified, experts suggest the Ju-35A improves on the earlier Ju-20 model, offering superior agility, payload capacity, and range. This fifth-generation aircraft is expected to play a pivotal role in enhancing China's Air Force capabilities. It is likely to serve as a multipurpose fighter, capable of executing air superiority missions, ground strikes, and reconnaissance. The Ju-35's introduction signals China's determination to rival global military powers with advanced Chinese military equipment. China's transition to self-reliance in high-end defense technologies was evident at the airshow, where Ju-20 fighter jets equipped with domestically produced engines took to the skies. This marked a significant departure from previous reliance on Russian engines and underscored China's technological progress. The move to indigenous production not only reduces dependence on foreign suppliers but also enhances the performance and reliability of its advanced military aircraft. The airshow also highlighted advancements in commercial aviation. China showcased its latest achievements in aerospace manufacturing, emphasizing self-sufficiency and innovation. The integration of cutting-edge materials and aerodynamics in both military and civilian projects reflect a broader strategy to dominate global aviation markets. These displays reinforce China's standing as a leader in latest military equipment and aerospace technology. The ZDK-03 AWACS, a standout attraction at the Abu Dhabi Arms Expo, showcases China's impressive strides in airborne early warning systems. Designed and developed by the China Electronic Technology Group Corporation, this advanced platform represents a new benchmark in military technology. The ZDK-03 integrates cutting-edge multi-sensor technology with sophisticated target detection and tracking capabilities, offering exceptional all-weather operational performance. Its ability to enhance situational awareness and provide effective command and control makes it an invaluable asset for managing complex and dynamic missions. One of the most notable features of the ZDK-03 is its unique blend of high performance and cost efficiency. Built with complete independent intellectual property rights, the system rivals leading Western counterparts while remaining competitively priced, making it highly accessible to global defense markets. This independence not only underscores China's growing self-reliance in high-tech military systems, but also solidifies its position as a global leader in defense innovation. The ZDK-03's versatility is another key strength. with capabilities that extend to coordinating air, ground, and naval operations seamlessly. This multi-domain functionality demonstrates China's advanced engineering and its focus on creating integrated solutions for modern warfare. The significant attention the ZDK-03 received at the Abu Dhabi Arms Expo highlights the increasing global recognition of China's leadership in developing state-of-the-art military equipment. It also reflects a broader trend of nations seeking innovative and affordable alternatives in the competitive defense market. The ZDK-03 stands as a testament to China's technological advancements and its commitment to redefining standards in modern defense systems. China's space transportation company is pushing the boundaries of aerospace engineering with its Yunqing prototype, a hypersonic transport capable of reaching Mach 4. This speed, twice that of the Concorde, could revolutionize commercial and military aviation. During a recent test flight, the Yunqing demonstrated the feasibility of supersonic passenger travel, with plans to scale up to full-size jets by 2027. Beyond civilian applications, such technology holds significant strategic potential for military operations, enabling rapid deployment of personnel or supplies across continents. This innovation showcases China's ambition to lead in dual-use defense technologies that bridge the gap between civilian advancements and military capabilities. China's participation in Africa's largest airshow underscored its influence in global defense markets. The exhibition featured an impressive array of Chinese military equipment, including armored vehicles, firepower systems, and anti-unmanned technologies. These displays emphasized the versatility and reliability of China's military products. Intelligent ammunition and unmanned systems were particularly noteworthy, demonstrating China's focus on automation and smart warfare. The launch of the Sichuan, the first 076-class amphibious assault ship, marked a significant enhancement of China's naval capabilities. With a displacement of 40,000 tons, the ship features an electromagnetic catapult system that allows fighter jets to take off directly from its deck. This innovation significantly boosts the ship's operational flexibility and combat readiness. Designed for distant sea missions, the Sichuan symbolizes China's expanding naval ambitions. Its ability to deploy various aircraft, including drones and helicopters, makes it a formidable force for power projection. This milestone in Chinese military equipment highlights the strategic importance of amphibious capabilities in modern warfare. The 15th Zhuhai Airshow featured a stunning lineup of advanced military aircraft, including the J-10C fighter, WZ-7 reconnaissance drones, and Y-20 heavy transport planes. These models exemplify the integration of advanced materials, aerodynamics, and precision engineering in defense technologies. The WZ-7 drone, designed for high-altitude, long-endurance missions, is a key asset for intelligence gathering and surveillance. The Y-20, capable of carrying heavy payloads over long distances, enhances the PLA Air Force's logistical reach. The J-10C fighter's versatility in air-to-air and ground attack roles demonstrates China's mastery of modern combat aircraft. The Zhuhai Airshow offered a rare glimpse into China's advanced Chinese military equipment, cementing its position